Good morning to all of you, my dear lovely children. Today I am going to start History, Chapter 1, Rise of Modern Europe. History is a continuous process of human action, of succession and occurrence. So, according to the knowledge, intellect, learning and study, etc. The world history has been divided into three ages: ancient age, medieval age, modern age. The division includes the definite and certain duration of political, social, economic, religious, and cultural structure. Modern age includes those fresh opinion, actively and action, which has provided human beings with different dimensions of ancient and medieval period along with social values. Characteristics of modern ages: reasoning and rationalism. In this era, an individual used to believe any fact only when he used to get appropriate reason or argument for that fact. This led to development of science in Europe. Hinduism. In this era, importance was given to prosperity of human and materialistic comfort. It is known that man has uncounted ability in developing and making a developed society. Now about new research. Modern age gave birth to geographical discoveries, development of science, industrial revolution, and new political and social ideas. Students, in modern age, many changes occurred in whole world. It is kept in mind that in different continents or countries, changes took place according to social, political, and economic condition. For example, in Europe, modern age started in between 15th and 16th century, whereas in India, modern period started in 18th century. It means that evolution of modern period did not start at the same time in the whole world. In modern period, documents and papers are preserved safely by government offices. In this age, books are not only printed or written, but some books are reprinted. They are different types of literature like novels, biographies, travelogue, etc. Students, let us discuss our next topic is background. In this, we can see what are the basic background of the society. Children, at the end of 15th century, life of European society has impact of priests and knights, but the king was not so powerful. People were unhappy due to the exploitation and supernism of the Christians religion leaders. In the mid of 14th century, the blame was given to the structure. Therefore, attention was given to the missionaries of people at present. Peoples were dominated by the Christians. At the time, renowned thinkers started logical decisions and educated people about intellectualism. They educated people saying that look at the world with open eyes, follow that which is acceptable to the mind.